going to turn over to Senator Cayetano.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, I'll take off from where Ms. Ople, the fear. If you read the Bible, ilan beses doon, dozens of time na sinisimulan na do not be afraid. Kahit sa ibang tinuturing na holy book ng ibang religions, the assurance of the Lord always not to be afraid. Because Ms. Ople and the OFW who sent that message hit the nail on the head. The main point na parang hindi makuha ng gobyerno, no, is that in NAIA, there is a spirit of fear. The pictures you see in Facebook where they wrap the baggages with plastic, or I call it bulletproofing. Hindi yan yung bulletproof na hindi tatama ng bala, kundi bulletproofing na hindi malagyan ng bala. Meron din fear yung employees. Napapasok lang sila doon, mababa sweldo nila, mapagbintangan sila ang nagplaplanta. As Senator Po said, hindi naman lahat. Kung meron isa o dalawa out of 100, lahat tuloy feeling nila suspetsya sila, di ba? But the reality is, sirs, to the honorable gentlemen who are before us today, you cannot deny that turista, foreigners, OFWs, even the Secretary of DOT, Secretary Jimenez already said, let's stop talking about it. But how can you stop talking about it when the first thing you do when you're going to the airport is say, will I get into the plane without being harassed or without bullets being planted in my bag, no? So, let's start with this. Do we agree, Secretary and honorable gentleman before us, that in layman terms, that the OTC, MIAA, OTS, ABSECOM, it is your job to make the airport safe and make our passengers not only feel secure, but they be secure?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, correct. And in fact, Secretary, that's why you took pains to explain, dalawang side yung security. One is that wala talagang makapagdala ng bala o explosive sa aeroplano because safety nila yon. Diba? That's what you were explaining to the media, na trabaho nyo yun.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. So, on the other hand of it naman is that, of course, we have to make the airports and the airplanes and the aviation safe, but the feeling of the passenger na safe din siya, na hindi siya matataniman, is also as important.
If not more important.
If not more important, okay. Can we go to the next slide?